Hello, and welcome to this tour of the NaturalReader text-to-speech software. To introduce you to this program, I'm going to let the program introduce itself.
Welcome to NaturalReader text-to-speech software. NaturalReader is a professional text-to-speech program that converts any written text into spoken words. In other words, it allows you to listen to text instead of reading them on the screen.
Thank you, Anna. And Anna is your free voice. She's a little robotic, but she's free. If you want to pay a little bit more for the premium services, you can get more natural voices, but we're going to stick with Anna. You can also adjust her speed to make her speak slower, more naturally, or faster, depending on how well you understand. Now, this is a great tool for those of you who want to improve your listening skills and or want to improve your reading comprehension skills. Because while you're reading along, you're hearing the words spoken in mostly proper English. So let's say that you have a reading assignment for class. You could put the reading assignment text here and have Anna read it to you, and you could follow along as she's reading. So you're working on both listening and reading comprehension. If you have assignment directions that you don't quite understand by reading them, you could put them in here. If you have a paper that you need to read, or a paper that you have written that you want to hear spoken to you to see how it sounds, you could put it in here. You could do speeches if you have to give a speech in front of class. Put it in here to see how it will sound. It's very easy to do that. If you want to open it from an existing file, you just hit open, go find the file, which I have here is NaturalReader Test, start it at the front and hit play.
You can open Word documents in NaturalReader and have it read for you. For example, in The Simpsons movie, EPA Director Russ Cargill presents the president with 5 unspeakable options for dealing with the pollution threat in Springfield.
Okay, so I open that from an existing document, but if you just want to copy and paste, you can hit New, copy and paste the text from whatever document or website you'd like it to come from, paste it here, and it will do the same thing. You can just hit play and it will read it for you. And there's an easier way to get documents and text read instead of copying and paste it. If you're reading something on the internet, and obviously you can't open it, but instead of copying and pasting it, you can come down here to the floating bar, and the floating bar is going to open up here, and it is kind of a mobile version of NaturalReader. And we come down here to our internet article. This article is about scientists putting woolly mammoth DNA into elephant eggs, trying to clone a woolly mammoth. So when you use the floating bar for the NaturalReader, all you have to do is highlight the section of text that you would like read. We're just going to do a small section here. So you select it. You can select a small part, a paragraph, or you can select the whole article, and then you hit play.
The idea of bringing extinct animals back to life continues to reside in the realm of science fiction.
And that's all it'll read. So then you could come down here and you could do, maybe let's do part of a sentence.
But scientists have taken a small step closer to that goal.
Cool. So you can go online, and if you have articles to read for class, or if you just want to read the news or something of interest to you, you can select it and you can play it as many times as you want so that you can hear it as well as read it. So you can follow along, hear the pronunciation, and not only are you seeing it, but you're hearing it. So it gives you a double exposure to that text. And here it says MP3. If you pay for a higher version of this, you can convert what it's playing into MP3 so that you can go back and listen to it later. But that's one of the more premium features, not something that we're really going to focus on in our use. We're just going to use the basic copy and paste or mobile NaturalReader. So I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of NaturalReader. Again, we have it downloaded on our computers in the language department, and we hope that you will download it on your home computer or your mobile device. It's free, it's easy, and all you have to do is follow the link on the online flyer, and you will be directed to the page, and it's very easy to sign up, and you can do that. If you need any help with that, just make sure that you contact one of us in the language department here at Delaware Tech, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks, and have a great day.